Hello, everyone. Hope all of you are doing great. Welcome to the chapter number 9. And yes, so for example, you have been giving epinephrine to your patient. The patient is getting better. The patient is getting stabilized. But now, what's next? How will you treat the other symptoms that the patient presented with? So, yes, epinephrine is the cornerstone, but adjunctive medicines have their own roles. They will help you manage the symptoms like hives or bronchospasm, and they may also prevent the delayed reactions. But you have to remember that never use them instead of epinephrine, but use them with epinephrine to improve the patient's conditions. So, what's the first drug that we can use? So, we can use antihistamines. They are helpful, but they are not life saving. So, what do I mean by that? Antihistamines will help you with the skin symptoms like itching or hives, but they do not reverse the life-threatening features like the airway swelling or hypotension that the patient presented with in anaphylactic shock. So you can always use them after the initial doses of the epinephrine and after stabilizing the patient. You have to think of the symptom control here, not the initial resuscitation. Next drug that can be used are corticosteroids. They delayed help for the biphasic risk. So steroids don't work immediately, but they might help prevent the biphasic reactions, where symptoms would return after a few hours. There is some debate about how effective they are, but they are commonly given once the patient is stable enough to handle the dosage. And when can you give the beta agonist? So, if your patient is wheezing or has asthma like symptoms, beta agonists like albuterol can help open up the airway. But just like the antihistamines and steroids, they are supportive, they are not definitive. So, epinephrine is still doing the heavy lifting part, and beta agonists are just backing them up. So here's the bottom line. Adjuncts are useful, but they are never first line. Think of them as symptom managers, but epinephrine remains the priority, early and often if needed. And that will take us towards the next chapter. We will see you.